Okay, this is this is my introductory speech. It will be about my raggedy pillow. My raggedy pillow has been with me since I was 3 years old. Personal objects, regardless of value to me, are more precious in any person's life because of the memories that are attached to that object. My mom gave it to me one day when she had dropped me off at the babysitter's, and I was really, really scared. It smelled like her, and she told me that the pillow can cover me when she can't. That was something that I held dear to me because it was, in my eyes, as a 3-year-old, whatever my mom said was absolute. So, my dad, he was stationed in Middle East to fight in Desert Storm. So it was just my mom. And since it was just my mom, this pillow was special to me since she was the one that gave it to me. She shaped a lot of me. And since she was the main parent around, we just formed a deeper bond than me and my dad. Her values became my own, and I was able to, as an adult, show my character through the values she gave me. I value honesty, compassion, and communication. And the reason these are so important to me is because I put out so much energy to the people in my life that I want to be sure it's going to be the right person. At the end of the day, it allows me to show others that I will also treat them the way they deserve to be treated. Everyone deserves to be treated with respect. At least that's my motto. As stated before, personal objects are not merited by their monetary value, but sentimental value. Things can only be as expensive as the memories that you put on that object. My mom is my best friend, and I am so grateful for the way she raised me because now I am a human being that loves things unconditionally, regardless of wear and tear. Take one day at a time because life is harsh on wore-down items.